Hello and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sheetal Rawat. I am a STEM trainer. So today I'll tell you about how to make jumping chick game on Scratch. So first of all, what is Scratch? Scratch is an application where children can program and share interactive media such as story, games, and animation. So our next step is I'll tell you how to make ID on Scratch. First of all, go to your web browser, search Scratch. Now click on the first link which occur in your screen. Now this is the first page of your Scratch application. Now click on Join Scratch. It will ask you some few questions like create your username, like I am writing here. So 1, 2, 3. So now create a password. Now click on the next. Now it will ask you questions like what country do you live in? Select your country. I'm from India, so that's why I'm selecting India over here. Here is India. Now click on the next. It will ask your birthday, month and year. Month is January, year is 2002. Click on the next. Now click on your gender, either you are female or male. I'm a female, that's why I'm clicking on female. Next. Now write your email ID here. Click on create your account. Click on get started. Now this is the home page of your Scratch application. Now go to create. Now this section is known as coding area, from where we can take the blocks and place it here, and this is known as workspace, where we have to do our coding. Now this is called sprite. From here we can select any sprite, and this is backdrop section, from we can take any backdrop for our game and animation. So now we are making a chick jumping game. So we are taking a chick from here. Go to the animals, select chick. Now I'm selecting the backdrop for my chick jumping game. Now I'm taking blue sky for the backdrop. Now I'm taking the first block from the event, and that is when space key press. With the help of this block, the chick will move upward and forward direction. Upward means when chick is jumping, it's upward direction, and when it's move, it's a front direction. Now I'm adding a sound of chick, that is start sound block. After that, go to the controls, take repeat block. This repeat block uh, repeat block is used for repeating or moving our sprite for certain time. After repeat block, I'm selecting change Y by. Change Y by block is using for the jumping position of your chick. Now While position is a upward position, and I am take you can take any number over here, like I am taking 12. Now repeat the process same again. Take a repeat block, go to the motions, take change y by. Now in the first block I am taking change y by 12. Now in the second block I am taking change y by minus 12. After that, go to the variables and change my take change my variable block. Now this block will help you to changing your score. Click on my variable, uh, click on rename variable, right? Points and click on enter. You can also write score over here, like I am writing over here as a point. You can also write here scores. Now the next thing is go to the event, take the when green flag clicked block. This block is very important because of this block you can start and make start our game and animation. Now go to the events, select go to x to y position. It will show the position of your chick, means x position is the starting position and y position is the position where is your chick is going. And when you are starting your game again and again, your game will start at x position. Now go to variables and set set your points to the 0. Now the coding of your chick is completed now. Now we are start the coding of our eggs. Go to the sprite, go to the food section, select the egg over here and place it down. Change the size of your the size of your egg is quite be good, but change the size of your chick. That is 120. Now that's right. No, I want to change 150 is better. Now this is the egg. Let's start the coding of our egg. Now go to the event, take when green flag click block, go to controls, repeat 10, go to the motion, change to x and y. Now after that, glide 1 second to x to y. Now with the help of this block, go to x to y. It will help you it will help your sprite to move towards its position, and this block glide block is used for taking some time, means some seconds for moving your sprite. Now I'm changing the values, like glide for 3 seconds and this position is minus 232. This one is minus 148. Now this position is minus 142 and this one is 218. Now here's here's the coding of our egg. Now it's done. Now I'm taking another egg for the game. Now there is a one more short method of uh, taking another egg. You can click on your egg, click on duplicate, and this one is your another egg. And here is coding of our duplicate egg. Now place it down, and in this code we have to change the coding little bit, like place it down, go to looks and select hide block. We are selecting hide block because when our one egg is passing through the chick, then it will hide and another egg will seen on the screen. So after that, go to the controls, take a wait 1 second block. Now go to looks and take show block from here. Hide and show blocks are for hiding one egg and showing another one, and it works as a repeated way. After that, the coding will done. Here is the last code for this game. Go to the events, take when green flag clicked block, and go to the controls, select wait until block, and go to the sensing, take touching mouse pointer, click on the mouse pointer, select chicks. Now go to controls, stop all. Now here's the all coding of your chick jumping game. Let's play the game. So our game is ready. Let's play. Click over here for the zoom. Click on the green flag and start your game. So here's the game. Thanks for watching the video.